Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just a home screen as an example for this. And once you have your content open and obviously visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this wonky animation that we just seen and with a pop-up, so you can swipe up to share it, and that's about it. And that image that we have just captured can be located in our photo album, so let me quickly find my photos. There we go. And as you can see, there it is. So there's the screenshot that I have just captured. So that is how you can capture your screenshot, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.